Hello, hope you're in fine voice. Now, have you ever submitted an audiobook recording to ACX only to receive an error message that looks a bit like this? File is encoded below 192 kbps. Re-encode the original source audio of this file using a bit rate of 192 kbps or higher. Read our encoding guide for further guidance. And at this point, you probably think, I want to panic. But wait, there's more. There's something else underneath that error message. File is not encoded in constant bit rate, CBR. Read our encoding guide for further guidance. So it doesn't sound very positive at this stage, and you're probably thinking, oh goodness, what do I do? Well, it's actually a simple fix. All you've got to do is go back into your original file and change the bit rate and that constant rate as well. Let me show you how to do it, and we're going to use Audacity. Here's the recording that I need to change the bit rate of. Some people look down here, the project rate, 44,100, but that isn't really what they're talking about. They're talking about the bit rate specifically. So for that, I need to just go to export, and we want to export as an MP3 because that's what ACX require. And then that brings up this dialog box, and you can see here it says that the bitrate mode is constant, so that's fine. I've got that correct. But then here the quality just underneath says 128 kilobytes per second, but actually we need the 192. So what I need to do is go on these up and down arrows at the side and just select 192, which is just a couple of rungs up the ladder. So I'll select that. And then it says 192, and I want to save it. And then just OK. And then when I export, it should come up as 192 kbps and constant. Perfect. It is a fairly straightforward process to change to 192, but what you might want to do is just use that as a default, so go into your settings and set that anyway. 128 is normally absolutely fine for things like auditions and so on, but because ACX is basically Audible and they want the highest possible quality of recording for their listeners, 192 from their perspective is considered the minimum threshold really that you need to be aiming for. All right, I hope that helps. Look after your voice and good luck with your audiobooks. See you next time.